Hi, it's Angeline here. Welcome to another brand new crafty video with Unity Stem. Today's quick tip video is gonna be really quick. I'm gonna show you how to create this background using some Dylusions ink spray. So I've already stamped this on some white cardstock and I'm using some brand new colors from Dylusions, which is the Laid Back Lilac and Rose Quartz. And I'm grabbing a box here and just putting my card in to spritz it so that the spray does not get everywhere. So just 2 spritz and I'm done, and I thought it'll be nice to add some drops with the new Periwinkle blue as well using the dropper and spritzing some water to it so that the colors would blend a little better. Then I'm grabbing my heat tool here to heat it up and dry it up, and once I'm done I'm grabbing the Spectrum Noir metallic pen here to just add some gold accents, and that's it, I'm done. So here's my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick little technique on how to create this really last minute card if you needed one. Thanks for watching. Bye!